everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my fat burning / weight loss recipe. Although I've shown this recipe in a couple of my videos, but I just thought I should make a separate video on this so you can always come back to it. All right, now even though I've shown this in my previous videos, I don't always use the same exact ingredients to blend the smoothie. Sometimes I add apple, strawberry, like different types of fruits. All in all, they all give me same result. Okay, but in today's video I'm going to be using one large pineapple, which is the main ingredient. I always like to use pineapple for this recipe. One cucumber, some fresh spinach leaves, some ginger roots, and 2 lemons. You can always choose to add or remove. For instance, if you don't like fresh spinach in your smoothies, you can skip that. It's totally optional. If you don't have lemons, you can use limes as well. If you don't have cucumber or you don't want to use cucumber, you can use celery stalks, and the ginger is a must. Okay, also you can add apple cider vinegar to this if you want to, but bear in mind, if you're going to be adding the apple cider vinegar, you don't need the lemons. Okay, now I'm going to cut, peel, wash all the washables, cuttables, peelables, and cut them into small chunks so that they can fit in my blender, and then we'll go ahead and blend all of this goodness together. Alright guys, so as you all can see, our pineapple smoothie is ready and it tastes so delicious, so refreshing. I believe you're going to love it. Okay, the taste is really nice. I want you all to try it out. If you're looking to burn some belly fat, especially around your midsection, we all know that it is so hard to lose those, extra belly fat. Yes, try this recipe for at least 7 days and come back to this video and let me know how it worked for you. Now let me tell you how you're going to incorporate this in your daily meals. You can drink this in the morning as a meal replacement. Just take it as your breakfast. Then in the afternoon you can eat your normal lunch. You can eat whatever you choose to eat, but always remember that moderation is key. If you're trying to lose weight, you don't need to eat excess. When you eat in calorie surplus, trust me, you're not going to lose weight. But if you want to lose weight, you have to be on a deficit. So this is one of the ways to do that, and this thing can keep you full till your lunchtime. So you can eat whatever you choose to eat or whatever you prefer during lunch, and then take this as a meal replacement again for dinner. Okay, repeat this for 7 days and you will see the changes around your belly area, your midsection. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes and videos like this. I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.